Alright, so I am using Tattered Angel Mist as my background, yep. I'm going to do droplets or splatters. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think so. I think they're near water. Sorry, we're watching a nature show. Usually, yeah, buddy. We're watching. It is, you're right. Or a hawk, one of the two. Alright, so... Still working on my splatters. Yep. I think so. I think so. Yep. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to start my first cluster in the top left corner. Yeah. So those paper layers are all strips that are branding strips. Yes. Yep. Oh my goodness. Okay. It does. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's an eagle, not a hawk, buddy. Yep. Yep. Then you said, nope, it's a hawk. Anyway, so all the embellishments are from Maggie Holmes' Carousel collection. The stickers and the die cuts, and that happy is cut from a Project Life card. I was getting the main kit, the Hip Kits main kit, embellishment add-on and Project Life add-on, but I'm getting an accumulation of the Project Life cards. So you'll see in this layout that I am using several different Project Life cards as layers near my photo, and these paper layers are Maggie Holmes' Carousel collection, except for the black and white striped and the wood grain. Those are from my stash. And anyway, so I decided to quit getting the Project Life add-on and go with the main kit, embellishment kit, and the cardstock add-on. And lately they've been having the Tim Holtz inks in the color add-on, so I've been getting that one as well. And so I technically have about $100 scrappy budget, which that allows me to get the Hip Kit main kit, embellishment add-on, cardstock add-on, the color add-on, if I choose to. If it has the, like I said, I normally don't get it, but since they have the Tim Holtz inks, I've been getting those this last month, and then I went ahead and bought the inks from the month before. And then I get Freckle Fawn, and that is all I get. I don't go out and I don't purchase anything extra unless I need cardstock. But anyway, so that is that. So I have more than enough embellishments between HipKit and Freckle Fawn where I don't have to go to outside sources, because I used to do a lot of paper. If I need some papers as extras, I will do Tuesday morning and check there and see what they've got. But otherwise, the HipKit Club and Freckle Fawn is all that I need. Anyway, so there's my Project Life cards as extra. Okay, I had to check my recording. I have ABS Video Editor. That is what I use, and my Windows 10, Microsoft did a update to my Windows 10, and it caused my computer to not reboot, so that's why I've been absent. I have tons of it. That didn't stop me from scrapbooking, but I was unable to make videos because my computer was unusable. It wouldn't load, it wouldn't boot, it just kept giving me an error, wouldn't re-image. I had to go ahead and uninstall Windows and reinstall it, which means I lost everything. Yes, so anyway, so I had to reinstall everything and get product keys for everything. Yes, they are. And anyway, so I finally got that done. So I'm back, and the ABS video editor is a new version, so it kind of is working differently. Anyway, so I am done with the layout, and I thank you for watching, and when I have more done, I will be back with those. Bye.